Hello again and welcome to another informative video. In this video I will discuss the CUCET admission scholarship for the year 2021 and 2022. So now let's get started. CUCET Admission Scholarship 2021-2022, a Chandigarh University initiative, is available to students pursuing undergraduate or postgraduate degrees at Chandigarh University in subjects such as engineering, architecture, pharmacy, agriculture, management, and integrated law. The candidates who are chosen will receive up to 100% scholarship of Rs 33 crore. Eligibility: and candidate must meet the following criteria in order to be considered. Apply for admission in Chandigarh University undergraduate or postgraduate program for UG courses. Have received 50% or more in secondary school, that is 10+2, from a recognized board, CBSE, PSEB, ICSE or any other state or national board. For PG courses, have received a graduation grade of 50% or above from a recognized university. Pass entrance exams such as CUCET, JEE Main, NATA or CAT or any other exam. Please see the scholarship detail paper in description for more information on the academic requirements for each scholarship. Benefit: students in various categories can receive a fee waiver of up to 100% based on their academic merit, performance on the admission exam, or any other achievement. Scholarships are available in a variety of forms including scholarship from CUCET, scholarship with fee waiver ranging from 15 to 100%, pre-earned credit program scholarship, 10 to 50% semester fee for non-IBM courses, and 5 to 25% semester fee for IBM courses for IBM collaborative courses. Merit scholarship program: up to 100% of semester cost are covered for undergraduate engineering, MBA, diploma for LEET and PG courses. Other discounts: depending on the condition, you may receive up to 20% discount on your annual price. Scholarship program for wards of military personnel: up to a 50% discount on the annual price. CU sports policy: up to a 100% free reduction. Scholarship for architecture: up to 40% off semester fees. Family members of Chandigarh University employees are eligible for a scholarship that provides a 50% discount on tuition cost. Early bird scholarship for PG students: fee waiver of up to 15%. Note: please see the scholarship detail paper in description for more information on the academic requirements for each scholarship. Documents: copy of Challan, GATE, NET or SLET or GPAT certificate if applicable. Copies of all mark sheets, degree and provisional certificate of the qualifying degree. If applicable, a copy of your OBC, SC, ST or PD category certificate. For part-time candidates, a copy of their experience and a NOC certificate are required. What steps do you need to take to apply? Candidates that meet the criteria can apply for the scholarship by completing the process outlined below. Create an account on the official website using a valid email address and password. Check and validate the registration notification you received by SMS or email. Pay the Rs 1000 registration cost using debit card, credit card or internet banking once you have registered. For the offline option, aspirants can pay Rs 1000 to obtain the CUCET brochure cum form from university admission offices or authorized centers. Fill in the current qualification information including school name and subject, then select a CUCET exam date from the drop-down menu. Fill out the application form and send it in. With the registered login details, appear for the CUCET examination on the appointed date and time. Applicants will be immediately evaluated for available scholarships based on their merit achievements if they are accepted according to the admission process. Important date: admission deadline is July 31st, 2021. Criteria for selection: the scholars will be chosen based on their ability and quality.